So, hello, good morning. Can you briefly
Good morning,
introduce
ma'am.
yourself, please?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rosalie. I'm 35 years old and single. Um, I graduated high school.
Can you tell me about your work experience?
I'm working here in Hong Kong for like 6 years and 8 months now, and taking care of child, cleaning house, like all around like that.
So, how you manage the kids or children's during tantrums?
I make sure to like when they're like feeling bad or grumpy, I make sure like we can play nicely and like I convert their feelings ba. Um I convert their feelings and I give them toys or talk to them in a nice way like that. Like, and sometimes I give them if they're really like feeling bad about something or upset about something. I'm just like giving them like time, like 5 minutes, give them alone time like that so they can like calm themselves.
Okay, so what will you do if the kid is sick?
Like, um, in my experience here, I'm working with a newborn before I came here. I was working with a newborn. I monitored the temperature of the sick child. Like she was newborn, and then every 30 minutes, if I know she has fever, I check the temperature and then give the prescribed medicine by the doctor, like
Okay,
Panadol, like that.
so how do you manage your work in your current employer?
If the child was sleeping, I start doing my work with my coworker. I prepare their food, cleaning the feeding bottles and their toys, everything like that. If I have a free time.
Okay, so why you got terminated?
I got terminated because I get into argument with my employer, and then yun, and she get mad and she said I will like terminate you like that. So it turns this way. I don't have any choice but to look another job.
What is your preferred holiday?
Sunday I can go holiday also Saturday. Depends on the and also situation. If my employer needs me in a certain day, then I can stay. It's okay with me.
Okay, so are you willing to share work and share room with other helper?
Yes, I am. I am also willing to share work. It's really depend on the situation.
Okay.
Yes, but I am open about it.
Okay, so are you willing to share room with kids?
Maybe it's like infants or newborn young kid. I am very much willing because I love children really. To be
Okay.
honest,
So are you willing to take care of pets?
pets. Yes, yes, ma'am. I am
Okay.
willing to take care of the tiny dogs. I'm not scared at all in the pet. We have dogs in Philippines.
Okay. So how you will manage the multitask job?
Multitask job. If there's like children, if they're in school, for example, the to all the kids like that. When there's this in school, I can like do all the cleaning and everything while they're not in the house. And then if there's like infants or newborn, if they're sleeping, then I can do everything while the baby is sleeping while monitoring also because according to in my experience here, we have a monitor, and then the while the child's sleeping in the room, I can like see them in the monitor. Then while I'm doing my work, my job, yeah, other work.
Okay. So what are your strengths and weaknesses? Please explain why.
My strength is I'm energetic actually. So I'm energetic in doing my job, and I'm happy with the kids. I love playing with the kids like that. I tutor the kids also, like the child here. I help her do her homework, simple math, simple phonics, like that. And I do also organizing some play dates and preparing their food. I always make sure the food is like good for them, and if they have some allergies like that, like I monitor everything, vitamins, everything about the kids.
How about your weaknesses?
Weaknesses, I think, um the not harmonious environment, I guess.
Okay, so
Diba?
why is that your weakness?
Because like I believe in working, it's really like nice to work if the place is like happy, like, because sometimes if people around you, they are like grumpy in simple things, like I wanted, like, if I did something wrong, like we can talk like still with the respect, like that. And if it's like, people like always grumpy around you, it's making me like so unhappy sometimes. So I want also be happy, a happy environment.
Okay, so my last question is, what is your message to your new employer?
My message to my soon to be employer is, just try me, I think, like that. That's simple. Just try me, try what I can do, how to I do perform the housework and everything, taking care of your children or pet. Just give it a try, and I think that's all.